Sequence is the order that code runs. An object needs to be defined before calling.
In this example, we have a freshly opened notebook. First name is a variable that we want to assign the name Alton, and we're just going to call it with a print function. I get a name error, says first name is not defined. I need to run this first cell in order to assign a value to first name and instantiate the variable. Now that it's been run, I can run the print statement and print Alton. In the second example, I have defined a function hatAvailable, which takes a single parameter color. If I run this have hat, which calls hatAvailable, I run into the same problem. HatAvailable is not defined. I need to first run the code that defines hatAvailable. Once that is run, I can call hatAvailable. A name error is a common error that occurs when you call something before it's defined. In other words, you're calling it out of sequence.